Good morning. Welcome to Books at the Bottom of the Stairs. My name's Lorene. It's actually Saturday morning. I usually do this work on a Tuesday, but we're having a blizzard and there's no scotch in the house. So I'm bored, I'm restless, and I'm just going to play. See what happens. Step 1, fool around with lights. Oh, that went quickly. That was good. Step 2, show my fashion-forward outfit. There's no point in getting really excellently dressed for the day because all it's going to happen is having to go out and shovel and get wet and have to do it all over again. So I think I'm on my third outfit for the day. And yeah, bad, just bad. I am going to tackle the pile of books. Obviously they're books and nothing else but books, but just in case you think maybe they are anchovies, I would just like to clarify. So, book club for next month. Book club for next month. These are January books that did not get finished, but they're still high on the list. I know if I talk about everything, then it's just going to be monotonous. So I'm just going to fool around. I have no idea why I am putting them into different piles. What do the piles mean? No idea. Next month, March, January of 2023, it's like I feel like a goofball right now. Maybe something will happen that means something. Somehow it doesn't feel any better. There, I've added a bird. That always makes me feel better.